Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord sun visor. A broken visor can be a real nuisance, but it's a straightforward fix you can do yourself. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool, and of course, your brand new replacement sun visor. Make sure the new visor is the correct color and has any features like a mirror light. Now, let's remove the old, faulty visor. Look closely at the visor's mounting base where it attaches to the headliner. You'll find a small release tab or notch. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently press this tab inward. While holding the tab, rotate the entire visor assembly approximately 45 degrees counterclockwise. It should then easily detach. If your visor has a mirror light, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. First, if your new visor has a mirror light, connect its electrical wire to the vehicle's connector until you hear a click. Next, align the new visor's base with the opening in your headliner. Insert it at the same 45-degree angle you used for removal. Then, firmly rotate the visor clockwise until it clicks securely into its locked position. This ensures it's properly seated. Once your new visor is installed, perform a few quick checks. Move the visor up and down and swing it to the side to ensure it holds its position firmly. If your visor has a mirror light, open the cover to confirm it illuminates properly. Finally, use a clean, soft cloth to wipe away any fingerprints or smudges from the headliner or your brand new visor. You've successfully replaced your Honda Accord sun visor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.